All right, hey everybody, how's it going? So today we are taking a look at 3 products by Molecule that's going to help your helmet stay fresh and stay clean and stay protected. So the first one we're going to take a look at is the Clean Polisher. You're going to take this and you're just going to spray it over your helmet, and this is going to clean your helmet as well as polish your helmet. So if you got some hard to remove bugs, this will be some good spray that you can use on your helmet to bring back that shine and also protect it from the elements. My helmet is custom painted, so I definitely want to make sure this thing looks as good as possible and has the best protection while I'm out riding in all different types of weather. And then look at the shine on there after you just apply just a little bit. The next one that we have is the Rain Repellent. The Rain Repellent is really good for your visor, both inside and out, and on the outside of your helmet as well. So you take a little bit of this, you'll spray it on your helmet, spray it on your visor, spray it on the inside of your visor, and it's also gonna help with defogging your visor as well. We know how the weather gets sometimes and you don't like your visor fogging up, and this is gonna help with removing the fog from your helmet. And last but not least, we have the helmet refresher. So this right here is going to be perfect for the inside of your helmet to make sure it smells really good. And that does smell really good. So 3 really good products. If you want to take care of your helmet, Molecule has you covered. The Rain Repellent, the Polisher, and the Helmet Fresh. Hopefully this video helped you out. I'll see you on the next one.